Hello everyone, my name is Zach Wallgren. I'm in the parts department with Landmark Implement in the Smith Center location. And here I'm going to go over the Pro Series row unit update kit as well as some key points on the new Pro Series row unit as opposed to the 90 Series row unit. So now I'm going to hit on a retrofit kit that we offer through the parts department to be able to upgrade your 90 Series row unit to the Pro Series row unit. Here we've got a kit. It'll do 2 rows. It runs about $550 if memory serves, and it'll let you upgrade, your closing wheel, your boot, your press wheel, all to the new Pro Series style row unit. They offer this kit in a 2-row and an 8-row configuration. The 8-row configuration runs about $19.95, and we are running a deal on those. They're 12% off through October 14th, so it'd be a good idea to look at that. Your 90 Series and your Pro Series row units are going to have different seed boots. This here is your 90 Series boot, and this here is your Pro Series boot. So as you can see, that's considerably narrower. That'll get your boot right up snug next to that disc blade, and it'll be able to get that seed down there in that trench quite a bit better. This here is the seed tab on the Pro Series and the seed tab on the 90 Series. As you can see, they've changed the design just a little bit. They've made this out of a tougher material and curved it so it better lays in that trench to get you better seed to soil contact as opposed to this old 90 Series style. We've got your Pro Series and your 90 Series closing wheel. They've upgraded these to the notch style. That's supposed to help in the tougher, drier conditions. It'll help break those clods up, resulting in better emergence. Here we've got your press wheel. They've upgraded these on the Pro Series to be a more flexible design, so it's able to ride in that trench better. It's also narrower, and they've upgraded the bearing inside to a double row bearing. Thank you everybody for watching. If you've got any questions or comments on your 90 or Pro Series row unit, please contact your local Landmark Implement dealer.